Do your tiles make a hollow thump when you walk on them? It's usually not the tile quality, but these three hidden causes. Most loose tiles start from poor substrate prep. Dust and grease weren't removed. Smooth surfaces weren't roughened. Self-leveling wasn't fully cured. All of these reduce bonding strength. Always clean the substrate plus apply primer to ensure strong adhesion. Common mistakes include only spreading adhesive in the middle, mortar to dry or to wet. All of these weaken the bonding. Use full coverage buttering on tile and floor, and press firmly to remove air pockets. Thermal expansion is a silent tile killer. If you don't leave 2-3 mm joints, or you skip expansion joints in large areas, tiles can lift, bulge, or loosen over time. Leave 2-3 mm gaps for small areas. Expansion joints are required for large spaces. Want tiles that last for years? Start with the right tiles and installation materials. Explore more premium tile options at Tile and Top.